welcome back to Beauty Over 40. So today we are reviewing the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin. I have been wearing this foundation on and off for a couple weeks now, and we're going to jump right into the
I'm down if you're down. Let's ride out right now. We'll go where there ain't no crowds, somewhere underneath the clouds. I'm down if you're down.
All right, guys, we're just going to go ahead and get started. And again, today we're trying out the new Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin. And I have color number 7. As you see, I have not opened it, so I'm hoping this is going to be a perfect match for me. We're just going to go ahead and dive in. As you can see, I've already done my skincare. Let's see what this is all about. I think this is a cream foundation, so we'll have to set it. It comes with a cute little spatula. I didn't get this baby out. Okay. Very cute. I love that. Okay, and it unscrews. Let's see. You guys know I'm all about spatulas. I usually use the back of my lash applicator to get my product out, but this is really nice. I'm going to use the back of the spatula. That way it's easier to come out. I'm going to use the back of it instead of this side. That way it doesn't get stuck in that wheel. Okay. And then I'm going to put it on the back of my hand. And let's see. I am a liquid foundation girl, so ooh, I don't know about this. It's looking kind of light. Looks kind of greenish. I may have not picked a good color. It is a cream, so I'm just going, it's really, really soft. Ugh. What do you guys think so far? Sorry, got my buds in. Let's see. Should have got a number 8. Maybe it'll oxidize a little bit. It blends really easy. It blends really good. Really, really smooth on the skin, and I think I got too much out. Now, from my experience, cream foundations transfer a lot. So I think initially I'm not going to set it, just to kind of see how it wears throughout the day. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and just finish my makeup application routine. And you guys have seen that plenty of times. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll be back. All right, guys, so I am back, and actually I ran out of time this morning, so I am just getting home from work, but this is how the makeup looks after a long day of work. And it is very hot outside. Like, we finally gotten some heat in the Midwest, and it is here. So for me, well, for one thing I look for is transfer, especially when it comes to a cream foundation, because cream foundations, from my experience, they transfer a lot. So I purposely did not set it with any powder or anything other than underneath my eyes, obviously for my highlights, for my concealer under my eyes. That was the only thing I set. Of course, you know, where I highlighted in my T-zone a little bit under my chin. But I don't know, you guys tell me, how does it look on your end? From what I can see, for me, feels like, and I don't know what I did at work, but I feel like around the mouth area, I did get, it came off. I don't know where it went, but I was, of course, working with papers and things like that. So I didn't see any makeup get on like any of my paperwork that I was working with at work. So for me and a lot of other beauties that have melanated skin, you know, we have the hyperpigmentation around the mouth and then sometimes around the eyes. So for me, it is around my mouth. Not terrible, but I can see it obviously. And I feel like I can just see, you know, that hyperpigmentation. And when I applied the product this morning, I put more product around my mouth rather than, you know, on my face. So I know for sure I put a good amount, which, you know, the product is very creamy and it blends out really, really good. The color is okay. The color is okay. I wish I would have stuck with the 8 instead of the 7. I think it looks okay. You know what? I'm just I'm just gonna tell the truth, right? I will also admit that I am a liquid foundation loving girl, so I'm very partial to liquid foundation. So not to speak to this product, but I feel like regardless of who it is or what product it is, I feel like if it was any other cream foundation, I would say the same. But again, that's because I'm partial to liquid foundation. But I'm willing to give this another try. I'm going to try to, well, I'm going to wear it again. I'm going to give it another go tomorrow. I'm going to give it another go tomorrow. This is the foundation. I felt like it looks a little green. I don't know how it's picking up on camera, but you know, I love something of more of a neutral undertone or even like a little bit of red undertone. I feel like the Doublewear that I use all the time is a neutral color, but I feel like it leans more on the reddish side. So for me, just looking at this in person, it pulls a little bit of green cast. So for that, I wish I would have gotten a number 8 for color wise, because I know with the summer and everything like that coming up, I'm gonna get a shade darker. So, but that's my fault. My reference usually use Makeup Shayla because I feel like the color she used works great for me, but at the same time, sometimes she goes a little bit darker. So I was like, well, let me get a 7. I should have gotten an 8. I should have gotten an 8. Overall, I think it looks really good. Again, it did kind of wear off around the mouth. I don't know what happened with that. Maybe I'll try to put a little bit more primer on there tomorrow, but it's not a bad foundation. If you're a beauty and you love cream foundations, I'm gonna say 100% go ahead and get it. I feel like it's a good foundation. It has really good coverage, blends really well, and for the most part, it wore really good, you know, from my mouth up. I'm just not sure what happened around my mouth. I don't know. They usually, for me, transfer really easily, but I didn't see that with this foundation, so that's a plus in my book. Also, I did notice around my nose, like in the creases, it did kind of separate a little bit. I mean, it's not a huge difference. Like if I didn't say anything, you probably didn't even know, but for me, you know, hyperpigmentation around my mouth, I want to make sure my coverage is there. So I'm gonna try it again tomorrow. All right, so I'm gonna put a little bit more primer around my mouth. I'm going to also color correct a little bit, and then just make sure those products dry down a little bit before I put this Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin on top of that. So yeah, that's my review. You guys, let me know if you guys have tried this. Again, I'm gonna give it another try. All right guys, I am back and I've given this foundation several tries. I've worn it several days on and off. I've gone back to my Doublewear, which you guys know I love the Doublewear. Again, I will say I like the foundation, and for a cream, now it does transfer, but it doesn't transfer a lot. It actually did not transfer as much as, but real quick, I wanted to come back and let you guys know that I do like the foundation. However, it is a cream. I much prefer a liquid foundation, but I would definitely continue to use this foundation, and actually here is mine that I've been using. Oh. And you just have to unscrew it, and you can see here that I have been using this product. You do not need a lot. Obviously in the areas you want a little bit more coverage. For me, that's around my mouth for my hyperpigmentation, but a little bit of that foundation goes a long way. I found myself not even using all of what I scooped out. Again, I do like a little bit more coverage around my mouth. Okay, I'm back. I thought somebody was at my she shed door. But all in all, I do like the foundation. For a cream, I really do like it. If you are someone that loves a cream foundation, you would love this. Since we are all here, again, this is the one I have been using. So I have a secret giveaway, and it is going to be US only. It's just getting a little crazy. Even on my website, guys, I had to turn off. I've even had to turn off my shipping to other places. So, and just to keep it to US, because they made some changes, and at this time I'm only able to ship to the US. So this will definitely be a US giveaway. So of course, for the giveaway, the rules I will definitely have down below, and that is to simply follow me on Instagram and follow me on TikTok on both of my handles. That's for Instagram and TikTok at LRHMakeup, and then my second TikTok account at _beauty over 40. I will pick a winner, and of course I will be checking to see if you follow the giveaway rules. But that's it. Once you've done that, go ahead and leave a comment under this video just saying done, that you followed me on Instagram, and then both of my TikTok accounts. All right, guys, and again, if you're someone you have tried this foundation, I would love to hear your feedback, share your thoughts, all of that. So that is it for this video, guys. So if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram at LRHMakeup, and also on TikTok, LRHMakeup, and also _beauty over 40. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel, turning on post notifications. That way you'll be notified when I upload new content. All right, guys, until next time, remember, the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.